Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see, we'll be immediately transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And as you can see, I've been using it for half an hour. We can check the unlocks and the notifications count, and if you want to check some further details, you've got two different options. So you can either tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to this dashboard, thanks to which you can check how much time you've spent on the screen in particular days of the week. You can tap on the day and you can check the apps and the time, of course, you've spent on them. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, in my case, settings, phone, camera and other. So let me tap on the settings, and as you can see, again we've got this dashboard, but this time it is directly connected with this one app. We can again change the screen time to another option, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.